Welcome to 8 State with Mama. We have today Subham Raba, coach Northeast Football Academy from Assam. Assam is the historical rich in football, playing host to one of the oldest running competition in the country, the Bordoloi Trophy. How do you see the growth of football in the recent years?
Yes, we have been seeing lots of development in football in Assam, but definitely not as the other states. We are really working hard, but it is not as much as good as the other states right now. But we are definitely there are lots of growth we have seen in Assam in the last few years. We have been seeing lots of players from Assam are playing ISL now, I League. So it's definitely there is a very vast, not vast growth, but we are definitely seeing a growth in football in the recent years.
Talking about the 10, 15 years of Assam football, I can very fondly remember the victory in the national games.
Yes, yes.
What memories do you have from that victory, and where do you think Assam hasn't been able to pull up another such a performance after that?
Yes, I still remember the match, and I still remember some of the name of the players. They played really well in that tournament, national games. One of the players is Minal Boro, which I like. I used to play striker, so I used to follow him, Minal Boro, and a few players, Sanjiva Rangpi. They were at great height at that time. Uh, yes, but yeah, after 2007, we have not been able to achieve uh, a big trophy or something like that in the recent years. But I remember 2000 in 2013 or 14, I think Betkuchi school they won the Subrato Cup in that was the trophy that we won in the recent years, but not the big trophy. But definitely, we'll try to achieve few more trophies in the near future.
Sure. So yeah, Rongpi, I used to play
Yeah.
with them when I was in under 16 national
Yes.
camp.
Yes.
Yeah, they are
So
very nice. I know that.
Sanjiva Rompi is also working with us as a youth coach. Uh, yeah.
Okay, yeah,
He's
nice.
working as an
Say
under
hi to
13.
him. Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
I'll definitely,
Okay,
sir.
yeah,
I will
okay,
definitely.
sure. Despite playing host to the international tournament like Bordoloi Trophy and Bodisha Cup, we haven't seen the rise of Assam footballs like the neighboring sister state. Where do you think that Assam needs to improve?
Um, I feel, sir, we are definitely trying this. Again, the federation is working hard, but I feel that we need to have a proper structured league. We have a league. We have a district league that is a super league. We have a Guwahati league. We have again Silchar league. There are leagues going on, but we need to have a proper structured league. I think which will help us to produce more players. Again, it will definitely help the players to get more matches, and it will definitely help them if they get a proper league. I feel that kind of structure is really needed in Assam.
Mhm. No, when I was in Tata Football Academy,
Yes. Yes, sir.
yeah, so we played this Bordolo Trophy.
Yeah.
We won. That we are the champion. I still
Yes.
remember that. Yeah, so
Yes. So Border Trophy, yes, is one of the biggest tournament in Assam right now. But again, uh, we need to work hard again.
what is the NUFC Academy structure and its initiatives?
Right now, sir, we have a team. We have a team, and we are still in touch with the players. We have a under 13, under 15, and under 18 team. Also, we have some of the reserve team players. We are still in touch with them, but due to COVID, we could not continue our training. So again, we are focusing on the safety of the players. So again, once we get the ground and if the protocols again, the COVID it ends, then we'll definitely start our training again uh, in the near March or from April.
What are the various different local tournaments that the academy teams are going to be playing this year?
Yes, sir. We are already playing in the GSA League, but again, it depends on the safety of the players, sir. We
Mhm.
have been invited from various organizations to play tournaments, but again, we'll look the look the situation of the COVID situation. We look the COVID situation that we can play or not. Again, it's all depend on the safety of the players and COVID situation, sir. But we have got many invitation from the organization to come and play the tournament. But we'll have to look, sir. But we'll definitely participate in the near coming time. Yes.
Okay. What are the future plans of the NUFC Football Academy to ensure that the best talent from the state in the scouted?
Yes, sir. I think we have the best man with us, Mr. Khalid Jamil. So Khalid Jamil and Alishan. Yeah. So Khalid Jamil, coach is helping us to scout the best talent from best local talents we have. So I still remember. So Khalid Jamil used to go to watch every GSM match,
Yeah.
every Guwahati Super Division match. So from where he have scouted Dipu Mirdha. Again, he also played. I think 2 or 3 matches. Dipu Mirdha. So Khalid Jamil and Alishan, again, we have another great name, that is Mr. Alishan. So Alishan is also he has been expertising working with the youths. So I think it will definitely help the club to scout the best talent from the entire Northeast. I think he has worked with Shillong London for many years, and he knows how to scout and how the talents over here is very, they are very talented, and we can definitely use both Mr. Khalid Jamil and Alishan. They are the best men to scout for the first team.
Yeah. Over the last 2 seasons, we have seen talent from the academy making it to the first team squad. Last year it was Dipu Midra, and this year it is Nikhil Deka. Can we expect a few new faces in the coming season to break through?
Sir, definitely, sir, because I'm not going to reveal the name, but there are definitely, it again depend on the performance of the players. So we have a few players who can make it to the first team, but again, it depends on the performance, and we have players that can make it to the first team, because we already have even Alfred. Alfred Alfred played last year in ISL. He was the youngest player to play in ISL. So he was in under 18 team. Again, he made it to the first team. Again, this year, Nikhil Deka. Nikhil Deka was in under 18 team. Then he went to play in another club, and then he again came back to Northeast United. Nikhil was in my first batch of, actually, I started a coaching center after an injury happened. I started doing coaching to the local students. So Nikhil was in the first batch of my coaching center. There were like 6 or 7 students from there, and Nikhil Deka was one of them. But he didn't play goalkeeper at the time. He used to play in different position. So
it's nice.
He made it to the ISL team in a goalkeeper position. I was definitely in shock.
Yeah, but
so
he doing very nice.
Yeah. So yeah, basically it happened. The journey began like that. That we went to play a tournament, and there we didn't have any goalkeeper. So he said that he'll play goalkeeper, and he played really well. So after that, I began to train him a little bit. Then I didn't have so much knowledge about goalkeepers, but little bit what I have learned from the senior coaches. I've given the training to him. Then he made it to the NUFC under 18 team, and there was no way stopping to him, because he did really well, and he's very dedicated to football game. He's very dedicated guy, a really humble guy. Yeah. So I think we have a great number of players in under 18 and reserve team. So from where I think few players can come into the first team based on their performance.
Yeah, so I think it should come more players come to play ISL, even I League also.
Yes.
So yes. So how difficult was it to impact online coaching during the lockdown period?
It was very difficult. It was. I would say it was kind of a different experience for me, because every day I used to go to ground and teach the students, but here on the online we can teach only about fitness and conditioning, but not the proper technique and what you can do in the ground. So I was definitely missing the ground very much. So proper tactics and all that you can do it on the ground, not on the online. So yes, I was definitely missing the ground. It was very difficult for me.
I know that it's COVID is it's a bit for us. Yes. So the coaching line. I've just done a D license. It's very difficult. I just done D license. So I know it's very hard. to do the online coaching. It's easy to play football, you know. So
Yes,
I really appreciate the way you're doing. Like you are the youngest
yes.
be coaching. So yeah, I really appreciate the way you do.
Thank
And
you, sir.
yeah,
And sir, how is the things going on in Mizoram? So they are starting the league.
no, it's now it's the Mizoram Football Association could not do anything. The
Okay.
government said, yeah, it's closed. Even the
Okay.
practice, you can't do that. In now, everything is closed.
But sir,
It's-
we will definitely want to learn from Mizoram because Mizoram is doing great job in football and they have a proper league structure. They have a proper grassroots development
I think,
structure.
yeah, I think it's this year we'll continue again. We'll
Yes,
do everything. So come and we'll
I
do
will
together.
definitely require your help,
Sure.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, I have so many friends like Rongpi, Birjob. You know Birjob, and yeah, I know them. We used to play that under 16, 19. They all are very good players. So I like them all. I cannot choose one. So I like them all, the way they play and the way they stay with friends and in the field. They are very nice people. I know them very well. So I think in the future, in this moment right now, it's Holy Charan. They're doing very well.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think the academy did what Subham said. The more players coming to the ISL, even I League also. I wish them the best to come for the players to play the big team.
सर सुब्रतो कप में आप थे मतलब सर आप स्काउट था क्या सर?
स्काउट नहीं थे हम लोग इससे ही आए थे मैं तो आके आप लोग को देखा था
ओके
तो आपको पहले से जानता है मतलब जब हम भी कोचिंग किया था तो आपका नाम के बारे में उन लोग बोला ये इतना मतलब साल है तो यही पास होगी बोल के आपको मतलब ब्राउज किया था पता है ब्राउज किया था
तो सर मिजोरम 2010 में चैंपियन था सर मिजोरम जीता है सर
हाँ सही तो होगा
हाँ हम लोगों ने 5 गोल खाया था सर मिजोरम के साथ मैं खेला था वहां पे वो फर्स्ट मैच 5 गोल खाया था बट मैं बहुत अच्छा खेल रहा था वो मैच में सर
नहीं क्या होता है जितना अभी ये कोचिंग और मिजोरम फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन का सब दोस्त का है कोई भी उसका गेम्स और अच्छा खेलेगा वो जल्दी आपका नाम हम मतलब कुछ भी कोई भी स्टेट का नाम हम लोग जल्दी पता हो जाता है इसलिए आपको पहले से ऐसे ही जानते हैं लेकिन कोचिंग में भी देख इतना कम उम्र में ऐसे ही किया सो क्या बोलेगा यार
थैंक यू सर ठीक है सर थैंक यू सर
बाय बाय I'll call you
yes sir
okay I'll call you आपको पूछना है जब हम CDB लाइसेंस करेगा आपको पूछना है कुछ भी
जरूर सर ठीक है सर
all the best okay
thank you sir bye sir
bye